Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Few antivirus company names are more instantly familiar than McAfee, the world's largest dedicated security company. Though McAfee is considered subpar by some people, McAfee Antivirus is working to change that by offering affordable protection for unlimited devices in the home. If you have a big family or just have a lot of personal devices you want to keep safe, McAfee Antivirus is stepping up to the plate with unlimited installations at a far cheaper cost than other security suites. While McAfee Antivirus doesn't have the highest scores from independent testing labs, getting a 67% in protection, it receives a 92% in performance and an 84% in ease of use. Where McAfee really shines is in its value for cost, receiving a 9 out of 10 due to its affordable price and broad protection. McAfee Antivirus also got a 96% for features, as it comes with a wide array of additional security options that aren't usually found in an antivirus suite of this price. With security features like a built-in firewall, a web advisor to defend against malicious or suspicious URL, a file shredder to protect your most sensitive information, and the ability to remotely check the security of all devices protected under your license, this suite packs a lot of bang for your buck. If you're interested in learning more, just check out our full review below. We'll tell you all the details and whether or not we recommend McAfee Antivirus for our users. Keep reading for more info.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.